way that customers are banking now is changing every single day. It's important that we build these products with our customers face to face to learn actually what they're doing every single day, what's changing, how can we as a bank help you.
Bankline Mobile is our flagship commercial banking app. What it does is it allows a business to scale and to grow by setting up multiple users for the business banking accounts.
GameBrain are based in Bournemouth and we make serious games for brands that engage and educate their staff. For me, a normal day is engaging with clients. I'll be out and about doing pitches, leading projects, coming up with cunning ideas on how to solve clients' problems. Try and stay out of the banking as much as possible and leave that to my highly trained staff located in our Bournemouth office.
With our company, we only have one authorisation signatory, and if I can't track that person down to sign and approve the payment, then I have to redo the whole thing again the next day.
So a normal day for me is 9 o'clock meeting here, 10 o'clock meeting here, 11 o'clock on the train, then I've got a phone call lined in and a Skype call, and when I've got payments to approve, I've got to desperately remember to do it. But the minute I leave the office, I may forget to pay the wages, and it's all because of the PIN code reader.
We know that some customers only really need to use Bankline to approve payments, and often as busy people running a business, they're out there and they're on the go. And what our app is all about, and what our new Biometric payment approval service is all about, is allowing them to make those payments really safely and approve them wherever they are so that they can keep their business running.
Freedom! I can pay my staff wherever I am. I don't need to be in the office anymore. I can do it in meetings, I can do it in my car, I can do it on the golf course. It doesn't matter anymore. All I do is hold my phone up to my face and ding! Staff paid. Brilliant.
The security that has been deemed good enough for multi-billion-pound transactions is the very same security that's in use for your £5 or £10 transaction.
The fact that it's your handset, you're the owner of the handset, that in itself becomes a security feature. You've also then of course got the inbuilt biometric features of the device. It all adds up to a very, very strong and secure customer experience.
The key things that our customers were really clear about was make it easy and make it safe. And that's what our new service offers. Safe payment approval that's really easy on the go.
It's just another way of being more flexible with their banking. So they're able to spend more time out of the office in front of their own customers and being in control of their banking.
It's so much more convenient. No more PIN numbers once it's set up. It's just my face. Something I trust, it's always with me. I'm not going to forget it. It's perfect.